Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add other users to Garmin Index S2. And to do this, we'll need to click on our scale inside the Garmin Connect app right here. Go for General, or actually, pardon me, Manage Users. And here you will see all of the users that are connected with your scale. We can go for Invite Connections. Now we can invite them using our contacts, or we can click on Invite Friends to see all of the share options. Now choose whichever one you like. It will basically send the message to that person. Now he will need to open it and proceed with the instructions to connect their email address and etc. with your account, and they'll be able to also use their own profile for this scale. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.